Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Canvas account using your Microsoft account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Canvas account with Microsoft, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in canva.com and make a search. The official page of Canvas account will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. You can log into your Canvas account using your Google, Facebook, Microsoft Clever, email or with phone number as well. Now to log into your Canvas account with Microsoft, click on Continue with Microsoft option. On the next page, allow access of your Canvas account with Microsoft account by tapping on Accept. This is how you can log into your Canvas account using Microsoft quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.